Hi everyone, this is Mr. Winston Alpuerto of FEU Manila under WRP. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY face mask out of ECOBAG. This is probably one of my favorite face masks. The design is very unique and I haven't seen many people wearing this design around. So alright, let's get started. Needle and thread or sewing machine if you have, and then we need also the solid headed steel pins. So you're going to use this to hold the fabric in place. You can also use safety pins and paper clips. Will also work in the pins. And then the scissors, combination pliers, cutter, ruler, and pencil. For materials, we need to have the eco bag, at least 18 by 28 centimeter in length, elastic about 30 centimeter in length and cut into two halves. Download the PDF pattern and cut the reusable eco bag. The PDF pattern you will be downloading is the actual size of the face mask. Download the pattern, print it out, and cut it accordingly. Put it onto the eco bag and pin the pattern and cut it out. Repeat this step for the next two patterns, which is for the nose and for the chin. Now put the cutout face mask pattern on the eco bag and attach it using the paper clips in place. Then cut it out by helping the ruler and cutter. Just a few reminders, guys. Pre-wash your eco bag before laying out face mask pattern. Your eco bag may need to be pressed as well to help pattern pieces to lay out flat. And even cut pattern pieces outside of the sizing line just to get the pieces by themselves. You'll cut exact after you clip pattern piece on the eco bag. And then view and sometimes size for the particular layout. Some of the layout views may be interfacing or lining. Pay attention to the view you are making and if you need to cut out these extra pieces. Repeat this step for the next patterns, which is for the nose and for the chin. Since we're putting it together, let's start sewing the face mask pattern diagonally from the left side, going to the top corner of the cutout echo bag. Then stop, continuing from the top corner going down diagonally to the right side, and do it again on the bottom. Sew the sides of the face mask wherein the elastic is there. Do a back stitch over the elastic to secure it. After that, sew along the rectangular cover of the flexible wire to secure the nose piece. Lastly, remove all the extra threads all around the EcoBag face mask. Okay, let's try it and use it.